morning students. Hope all are enjoying the glow of good health. Today we are going to learn writing section email writing. Children, in this video lecture we are going to understand its meaning, format with solved example and points to be taken care while writing an email. Remember children, there is no formula for perfect email, but authentic and honest messaging will surely work. So let's begin. Children, let us begin with the meaning of an email. What is an email? Email is a short form for electronic mail. It is a convenient method of composing, sending, storing and receiving messages over electronic communication systems. It is the quickest way to send a letter. Now let us discuss its uses. We can send a message anytime, anywhere through email. We can send the same message to several people at same time. We can forward the information to co-workers without retyping it. In this way, children, we can save the time. Email is very fast, usually taking no more time than a few minutes to be received. We can mail electronic documents and recipients can then edit and return revised versions immediately. It is very fast as compared to postal mails. Children, same as letter writing, emails are also divided into two parts, that is formal email and informal email. Children, a formal email can be written to companies, government departments, officers, school principal or teacher, whereas an informal email can be written to family, relatives and friends. Children, the email writing format must be strictly followed in a formal email. Just like a formal letter, we use formal language in a formal email also. Use of abbreviations, short forms should be avoided in a formal email. On the other hand, in an informal email, we can use informal language. Now, let us discuss the format of an email. That is, first you need to write the date in a correct format. Then email addresses of sender first. Then receiver's address. Main subject or reason of writing the email. Then you need to write salutation. Then remember children, main body of email should consist of introduction, matter in detail and conclusion. Then you need to write complimentary clause, name, designation and contact details of sender. Children, now have a look on the layout of the email writing. First, date. You need to write date in a correct format. Then from, write sender's email address. To receiver's email address. Then subject children, whether it is formal or informal email, you need to fill this subject. Then salutation with dear and name mentioned. Then main body should include introduction, matter in detail and conclusion. After that, you need to write complimentary clause and sender's name. Children, you should know that email messages consist of two major sections. One, header consists of subject, sender, receiver, date and time. Number two, the body which contains the message. It can contain formal, informal language depending on the purpose of writing. Now let us discuss the format of email in detail children. In column of subject, you need to write the subject in a brief and clear way. It should give a clue to the content of the message. Do not write very lengthy subject, children. It need not to be a complete sentence. So it is not necessary that it should be a complete sentence. It can be a phrase or a clause even. Then in salutation you need to write dear, sir or first name of the person. Children, you need to take care that the opening statement of the body should begin with very pleasant or in a greeting way. When replying to a message, write the phrases like thank you for your message, I received your message. When you accept a reply, kindly use these phrases, children, like please let me know. In case when you want help, then use the phrases like please or kindly. Children, you need to take care each main idea should be in a separate paragraph and try to use complete sentences. Do not use the SMS language. Then complimentary clause, regards, love and sender's name. Now let us discuss some do's and don'ts about email. So first, do's. Use an informative subject line. Write the most important information first. Use number and bullets to make the message clearer. Use simple grammar and language. Write short sentences. Use separate paragraphs. Now about don'ts. Do not write about irrelevant issues, children. Give personal information that you don't want someone else to know. Use capital letters to write whole words as in emails. This is considered shouting. So use different fonts, use italics and use of exclamation marks should be avoided. To sum up, children, remember the following points for effective email message. Have a clearly stated subject line. Place priority information in the beginning. Be brief without being rude. Use the right tone, formal, informal. Have simple vocabulary, uncomplicated sentences and paragraphs. Use correct grammar and spelling to avoid confusion. Be courteous. End with thanks, a line saying you look forward to hearing from the recipient. Have a signature which may include position held, address, phone number, etc. Now let us discuss solved example, children. Question is, last year during his vacation, Preetham went to an adventure camp that included activities like trekking, rafting, rock climbing, etc. Write an email as Preetham describing the activities to a friend. So as we have discussed in the format also, first we need to write the date in a correct format. Then write from, you can see is Preetham is sender here. So his email address has been written. Then write to recipient's address. Then in subject, children, as we have discussed that it should highlight the thing which you are going to discuss in the body. Thrilling experience of the adventure camp. Then salutation, dear friend, because it is written to friend, here it is dear friend. Then Begin body with introductory lines like, how are you? My father told me that since your brother is unwell, your family has dropped the idea for the vacation to the hill station. Have you made new plans to spend your vacations? I can understand your frustration over the issue. However, I have a better idea. Then the matter is discussed in detail. Next para. I have enrolled in an adventure camp and would like you two to come along. Last year I had visited the same camp and had a lot of fun. We participated in the activities like trekking, rafting, rock climbing, etc. In the beginning, I was a bit nervous, but the team leader motivated me to carry on. These activities inculcated team spirit in me. The thrills of adventure sports will remain with me forever. Then concluding lines. I have planned to participate in such camps every year. You too can participate in such sports if you accompany me. I will wait for your reply. Then complimentary close, yours lovingly, name and signature, that is Preetham. Now I hope children, regarding email writing, each and every point is clear to you all and you will be able to write good emails with thorough practice. Thank you.